Friends, welcome to my channel, Knowledge In the series of Polity General Knowledge MCQs, today's topic is Fundamental Rights in the Indian Constitution, Part 1. So, let us start. With reference to fundamental rights of Indian citizens, which among the following statements is correct? The right answer is B. The fundamental rights are enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution of India. With reference to fundamental rights of Indian citizens, which among the following statements is correct? The right answer is B. Articles 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution cover the fundamental rights of the country. Which part of the Indian Constitution is described as the Magna Carta of India? The right answer is C. Part 3. With regard to fundamental rights, which one of the following statements is correct? The right answer is D. Fundamental rights in Indian Constitution are more elaborate than those found in the Constitution of any other country in the world. With reference to fundamental rights of Indian citizens, which among the following statements is not correct? The right answer is D. They aim at establishing an autocratic government. How many fundamental rights were there in the original Constitution of India? The right answer is C. 7. After the 44th Amendment Act of 1978, what is the number of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India? The right answer is A. 6. Among the following, as of now, which is not one of the fundamental rights of the Indian citizens? The right answer is D. Right to property. With reference to the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which among the following pairs is wrongly matched? The right answer is D. Right to freedom of religion. Actually, this right is covered under articles from 25 to 28 and not under articles 29 and 30. So the pairing of this right and articles 29 and 30 is wrong. Which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution protect the cultural and educational rights of the citizens? The right answer is C. Articles 29 and 30. Which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to constitutional remedies? The right answer is B. Article 32. With regard to fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India, which among the following statements is not correct? The right answer is D. They are absolute in nature. But actually, as stated in option B, they are not absolute and state can impose reasonable restrictions on them. With regard to fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India, which among the following statements is not correct? The right answer is D. They are not justiciable. As the fundamental rights are justiciable, this statement is wrong. With regard to fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India, which among the following statements is not correct? The right answer is D. They can be repealed or curtailed, irrespective of the fact whether the basic structure of the Constitution is affected or not. With regard to fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India, which among the following statements is not correct? The right answer is D. Their scope of operation is strengthened by Articles 31A, 31B and 31C. But actually, as stated in option C, their scope of operation is limited by Articles 31A, 31B and 31C. With regard to fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India, which among the following statements is not correct? The right answer is D. Few of them are directly enforceable, while most of them can be enforced on the basis of law made for giving effect to them. But actually, most of them are directly enforceable, while few of them can be enforced on the basis of law made for giving effect to them. So in place of few, the right word is most, and in place of most, the right word is few. Which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution declares that all laws that are inconsistent with or in derogation of any of the fundamental rights shall be void? The right answer is B. Article 13. Among the following, use of which article can Supreme Court and High Court make respectively for declaring a law unconstitutional and invalid on the grounds of contravention of any of the fundamental rights? The right answer is D. Article 32 and Article 26 respectively. With regard to right to equality as one of the 6 fundamental rights, which of the following pairs is wrongly made? The right answer is D. Abolition of untouchability and prohibition of its practice. Actually, this provision is covered under Article 17 and not Article 18. So the pairing of provision and article is wrong. With regard to right to freedom as one of the 6 fundamental rights, which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? The right answer is D. Right to elementary education. Actually, this provision is covered under Article 21A and not Article 22. So the pairing of provision and article is wrong. With regard to right against exploitation, which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution covers the prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor? The right answer is C. Article 23. With regard to right to freedom of religion guaranteed by the Constitution of India, which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution prohibits the employment of children in factories, etc.? The right answer is D. Article 24. With regard to right to freedom of religion as one of the 6 fundamental rights, which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? The right answer is D. Freedom for attending religious instruction or worship in certain educational institutions. Actually, this provision is covered under Article 28 and not Article 29. So the pairing of provision and article is wrong. With regard to cultural and educational rights as one of the 6 fundamental rights, which among the following articles covers protection of language, script and culture of minorities? The right answer is A. Article 29. With regard to cultural and educational rights as one of the 6 fundamental rights, which among the following articles covers right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions? The right answer is B. Article 30. The right to property is now a legal right, under which part and article of the Constitution It is covered. The right answer is D. Part 3 and Article 308. Which article of the Constitution of India empowers the Parliament to restrict or abrogate the fundamental rights to the members of the armed forces, paramilitary forces, police forces, etc.? The right answer is C. Article 33. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.